So hello everyone, welcome back again in another video, and in this video I'm going to show you the GMGN. Basically GMGN is website. It is famous for their wallet tracker. You can track up to 1000 wallets at the same time. But the thing is, I'm going to show you the full tutorial how to use it, and the best pros and cons of the GMGN, the best way to use the filters and everything in one video. So make sure you guys buckle up and press that like button, and also press the subscribe button for more video, and just go to the description and click on GMGN link that I have provided, and you can get off up to 30% off. Otherwise, just go to Google and search GMGN.AI. You can find this website and go and connect your wallet or Telegram. So you can just come into this screen, and I'm going to show you the step by step. This is the the trending section. You will arrive here and you can find some trending token. So right now this one is trending. It's like 49 second. I'm going to show you. So this is the ruck probability, so just avoid this one. So if you just filter token and filter everything, you can just find pretty much good things here right now. But at the moment there is nothing so much good is going, because the market is very slow. And this is the next BC. You can find the upcoming blue chips. Basically you can just sort out by the blue chips, so you can find out the blue chips which has the potential. So you need to look at least like on the yellow time frame. The red one is look pretty much low. So if you go to the meme space, so this is the where the magic is happened. Basically this is your hyper similar to hypervision if you use the Bullx Neo. So if you just you use simple filter, with at least once social def bund, def sell all or something like that. If you play with the market cap, I want to see like 5k market cap and the 1 hour transactions, or maybe like the 3 total holders, simple, and just use the filters. So maybe we can find pretty much good coins right now at the moment. And if I just do like 5k is enough maybe. And let me just check. So right now you can see the dev have sold and price is going upward. So the GMGN just the audited safe side, but the thing is that this coin has a risk basically. So liquidity is less than 4k, so that's why. And dev holds 25% number of snipers. This is the sign top 10 holders, and this is the 31% pump.fund the status, and this is the Twitter, and this is their website. So you can find pretty much good blue chips here. And let me just go and see the previous one. So I just want to look at the 13k market cap minimum. And if you go to the 13k market cap, you can find pretty much good coin like minimum 30k. And the total holders, I just want to be everything with at least one social, and this one. So let's see, I hope we can find something good, but pretty much. So let me just open this one. So right now it's coming down, so which means the price is just fucked up. And this is the completed section, and if you play with that, you can just find a pretty much good type of coin. And let me just show you the volume. For example, I'm just want to look at the 10k volume minimum, and I've just filtered out like 20k minimum volume, and the ages must be like 3 minutes or like 10 minutes, and this age must be 5 minutes basically. And or maybe like 30. You can just put 30 or whatever you want. And this one is maybe 20, and this is here like I just want to see the volume must be like 200k. And if I just filter out and by the age, like let me just put the 30 minutes, and maybe we can find like pretty much good thing. Sometimes you just find some pretty much good thing. Basically the volume is crazy. So I'm just want to show you the coin itself. So maybe we cannot find something, maybe we can find something pretty much good, but let's see. It's all depend on the GMGN basically, how it's going. So let me just reload the site. Sometimes it's very slow. Yeah, all is going good, but the thing is I'm looking at the 1 minute volume. So 1 minute volume is not looking so good. So yeah, the coin is down pretty much. So this one is the new pair section, and when you go to the new pair, you can find pretty much new pairs here. So you can just play with that thing also. So I just want to see like no mint, blacklist with at least one social. So if I just play with that thing, you can find pretty much good things at that moment. But the thing is, at the end, the choice is yours. So you need to play with that filters as well. You should watch some YouTubers as well. I have already created multiple videos on filters, so I'm not going to cover this. So you can just check out my channel and find the videos, old videos. Yeah, this is the trending section. I don't know why this website is so slow on my PC. Yeah, this is the trading section, and you can just go and trade from directly, and this is where the magic happened. Basically, this is the copy trade section, and where you add like the smart money guys. So right now I have added multiple of them. So I just don't want to add someone, I'm not into that thing. But if you click on this one, is on this, just click on this and default, and just go to the follow page. You can find and you can add and you can tune them according to yourself. And this is your monitor section. Basically, you can monitor which one whales are holding. Right now they are in the Yeezy. So let me check the Yeezy coin as well. So if you just play with that thing as well, like, to be honest with you, you can find pretty much good entries. You can do easily 200 or 3x. So this one is pretty much simple. And yeah, this is your holding section. Basically, this is your Solana or something like that if you want to switch. And this is your light mode, dark mode option, and this is where the account and everything other settings. So yeah, this is where you can alert the trade and following and whatever you like. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you guys show some love and follow me for more.